Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel Merely on Time. Excited to be doing my third holiday unboxing. So we're just going to do a quick look at a watch, measure it out, give you the specifications. So far we've looked at two watches, the Maven X Visage by Forge & Foster. My most recent unboxing is of this beautiful San Martin homage to a Tudor Heritage Black Bay. And today I'm super excited to be showing you this Wayfinder watch by Farr and Swit. It is a watch that as soon as I seen it out on Instagram, I had to have it. And thank you to my friend Adam from Farr and Swit for giving me a partner discount on this watch so I could have it into the channel to review. That's why you saw the paid promotion. I did pay for this watch. I paid a discounted rate, but I figured because of the discount that he gave me, I should put paid promotion on there. I love absolutely everything about this watch. It is fantastic. And again, it had a look and an appeal to it that just drew me to it right away, and I had to get it. It came in this pretty cool Farr and Swit dry bag. It came with two straps. I'll show both of those to you in the unboxing. Also came with some other little goodies as well, which I will show you. This is just a little bit too large to show on the camera when we turn it around. And I think you're going to agree that this is a pretty awesome watch. Also, I want to say that Adam has agreed to collaborate with the channel Merely on Time to include one of the Wayfinder watches in my 750 subscriber giveaway. We may very well be giving away another one of these Wayfinders, or perhaps a Wayfinder automatic version. This is a quartz version. And so thank you, Adam, for agreeing to collaborate with the channel. I'm really excited to be doing that because I think this watch is fantastic. And as a part of my 750 subscriber giveaway, I wanted to give away a fantastic watch. And so Adam will be discounting that watch for me to be able to get it into one of your hands. And so, again, thank you, Adam, for doing that. So with all of that, let's turn the camera around and let me show you this watch. I think you will agree it's pretty fantastic. So you saw the dry bag earlier. This is what was in it, obviously the watch, and the dry bag also came with this, and I'll just unpackage everything. Share your adventures, just information about their social media accounts. It came with this strap, along with the strap obviously that is on the watch. So you get two straps with this one. Both are really nice. And then you get a couple of Farr and Swit stickers if you want to decorate something. Another Farr and Swit one. And of course your instructions on how to fit your military style strap. It does come with two of those. Before we crack open the box, today I decided to wear this absolutely beautiful watch. I really would like you to watch the review of this watch if you haven't. I'll leave a card at the end of the video where you can click on this. This is the Sangamon Freedom Omaha Beach watch, and I share a personal story about my grandfather who wrote a letter to my grandmother about D-Day. He was in the Canadian Navy and was there on D-Day supporting the troops that were storming the beach. And I read that letter as a part of this review. Go check that out. I'll leave a link at the end of the video for that one. And so we're here to have a look at this really nice watch. It comes in simple packaging, just a plain cardboard outer sleeve. And you get the Farr and Swit branding on top of this, just a fairly standard watch box. Define your time, their slogan. And we'll pop this open. It's nicely protected by this foam, or bubble wrap, I shouldn't say foam. And a nice little touch. The co-owners of Farr and Swit with their signatures on there. I'm going to guess this one in the middle is Adam's. And just some information on setting the watch. And of course, you have the watch. And this is an absolute, in my opinion, a stunning looking watch. It comes on a fairly nice pillow in here. Oh, it's in there pretty tight, so it's nice and secure. and it is supplied with this nice military style band, and this one is got a bit of an elastic feel to it, and it is super comfortable. Let me just zoom in on the dial, because this is why I fell in love with this watch. I love every aspect of this dial. The yellow outer ring with the black minute markers printed, the applied baton indices at every 5 minutes, the blue numerals on it, the blue and yellow hour and minute hand, the lollipop yellow, the aluminum bezel here in blue. I mean, it's just fantastic. And if you can see around the dial, it looks like it's got a topographical map designed onto the dial to kind of fit in with the Explorer type of feel to this watch. The Wayfinder, absolutely fantastic. I'll just show you the finishing of the watch. It's really nicely brushed. All the watch head is brushed. It just is fantastic. Really nice crown action on this one. Super buttery smooth, and no issues whatsoever with the crown engagement. Nice knurling on it. I'm just kind of giving you my first impressions of it. The bezel is 120 click, and it's got fantastic action on it, and I'll show you that in the review. And of course has a sapphire crystal, and the thing that you'll notice about this being a quartz movement is it isn't a single tick per second quartz movement. They do have a nice Seiko meca quartz movement powering this watch, and so you get a nice 4 beats per second sweep of that second hand. It is just absolutely fantastic, and so happy to be giving one of these watches, if not this one of the other Wayfinders, the Wayfinder Automatic, away as a part of my 750 subscriber giveaway. Nice brushing on that aluminum bezel as well. Fully lumed bezel and dial, and the lume is incredible. Just wait for the review. It really is fantastic. And again, this particular band, I'll zoom back out here, is got some elasticity to it, so you can get a super comfortable fit with this band. And the other band that it comes on, this gray military style band, is not doesn't have the elastic, but it's super comfortable as well. Fits a little snugger on my wrist as a result of the no elasticity on it, but fantastic. Looks great on both. So let me show this one to you on my wrist, and then wait for the review. Guys, it will be coming out in the new year for this one. And I'll show you the case back as well. Just slide out the... I'm not going to slide it all the way out because I'm going to show it to you on the blue strap first. So here is the case back, and Wayfinder Farr and Swit, really nicely done. A nice etching on there. Screw down case back, screw down crown, 100 meters of water resistance. Let me show it to you on wrist. And so here it is on the blue military strap that was provided. I have a 7.5 inch wrist for your reference. And it is absolutely beautiful. Now, the colors might not speak to everybody. I really loved the colors on this dial, the blue, the yellow, the white. Just loved everything about it. There are different colors available, obviously, and I'll leave a link in the description of the video where you can go to Farr and Swit's website and check out their lineup. They have some really fantastic watches. So this is the blue military strap. Let me show it to you on the gray. Here it is on the gray strap that was provided, and both are very comfortable. I really like the look of this one as well. I've been rocking it on both colors. Just a fantastic watch. My thanks again to Adam at Farr and Swit for allowing me to get this watch into the channel. Absolutely beautiful piece. It will be in the 750 subscriber giveaway, a Farr and Swit watch at any rate, and so thank you again to Adam for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Stay tuned for another one that will drop on Friday this week at 7 a.m. We've got a few more holiday unboxings to go through, and then I'll be doing full reviews again in the new year. Wishing all of you a very Merry Christmas. God bless all of you. I hope your holiday is absolutely wonderful. And remember, when you go out of your house this holiday season, make sure you have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like this Wayfinder by Farr and Swit. And make sure that wherever you're going, you get there on time. Now be sure to check out this video of mine by Sangamon, and have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you on Friday.